Need a short vertical opener, tutorial cutaway, or concept reference before the storyboard? Omni Flash AI turns reference-driven generation into a workflow for short AI video. Creators, educators, and product teams can build concise clips for explainers, messages, and variations. Start with a reference video, image, first and last frames, or a text prompt. Omni Flash AI uses that reference to guide style, motion, camera direction, and pacing. Use it for YouTube Shorts openings, math chalkboard explainers, V8 engine visuals, product ads. Pick a scene type, describe the result, confirm settings, then preview, download, and iterate. The browser-based workflow supports asset reuse, reference reuse, and credit-safe generation. When you need practical short-form clips from a clear reference, start with Omni Flash AI.